This session is to show how to record and run a test flow. First, let's log in into the Accra Cloud account. Once after logging in, navigate to the Automation Assets tab. We need to create test sets and the test case to record a test flow. So click on the Add Automation Set button to create a test set. Choose a parent ID as root level and click Create button. The parent test set has been created. Now click on the Add Automation Set icon, which is shown on the right side of the panel, to create a child test set under it. Enter the child test set name and click Create button. After creating a child test set, to create a test case, click on Add Test Case icon, which is shown on the right side of the panel. Enter the test case name and click Save button. So now we have created the test sets and test case. The next step is to check whether the CapTars has been configured to the Chrome browser or not. I have configured JDE92 CapTar. So just click on the JDE92 CapTar icon, which is shown in the right side upper corner of the Chrome browser. So when clicking on this icon, it will show up the CapTar GUI. Turn on the CapTar mode. Now start performing actions on the target URL. I'm logging inside the JDE, fastpathing to P01012 application, entering the search type, clicking on Find, selecting a grid row, closing the application, and logging out of the JDE. So the CapTar has captured all the actions that I have performed on JDE and it shows in the CapTar GUI. So now we need to send all these steps to the Accra Cloud. Navigate to the Accra Cloud. Turn on the recorder using the Record Test Steps icon of the corresponding test case. So once after turning on the recording, go back to the CapTar UI, select all the captured actions, and click Send Data button. So the data has been sent to Accra Cloud successfully. Now turn off the recorder. So now we have recorded the action successfully under a test case. To run this test case, we need to create an automation execution. Click on this Add Automation Execution button and enter the execution details. Give the execution name, choose the product name, enter the product version, choose a target URL, select the required automation set which has to be executed, and click Create button. After creating the execution, navigate to the automation execution page and see that the execution which we have created is shown up here. The next step is to turn on the engine. So navigate to the Accra engine folder in your local machine. I have downloaded the Accra engine folder under the downloads folder. So I'm navigating it to the Accra engine folder. Double clicking on the execute.cmd file to turn on the engine. Now the engine is turned on. Navigate back to the automation execution page. Click on Run Test icon. Enter the iteration name. choose the browser, select the automation set, and click Run button. Now the engine has triggered the execution. So once the execution is over, it will show the result in the engine GUI. Navigate to the execution area by clicking the View Execution Results icon of the corresponding execution. So expand the test set and it will show each and every step and its run details. So to view the PDF report, you can click on the PDF icon, choose a type of report, and then click on Generate PDF. Similarly, for Excel report, you can click on Download Excel report icon. Once the icon is clicked, it will download the Excel report. And it shows the execution details in the Excel format. So once after each execution, the results and the PDF and Excel reports will be sent to the registered email address. Thank you.